In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open the Apple Store app on your iPhone in just 5 minutes. This process is straightforward and shouldn't take you long at all, but sometimes it can help to have someone walk you through it step by step. So, let's dive straight into it. First things first, grab your iPhone and locate the Apple Store app. The icon you're looking for is colored blue with a white letter A in the center. Once you've found it, a simple tap on the icon is all you need to open it and start exploring. However, if you don't see it on your home screen or if you've deleted it in the past, don't worry. Installing it again is very simple. In case you don't already have the Apple Store app installed, the next step is to head over to the App Store. The App Store icon is another familiar sight on your iPhone. It's like a little storefront on your home screen. Once you have it opened, you'll see a magnifying glass in the lower right corner. That's your search function. Tap on it. Using the search bar at the top of your screen, type in Apple Store. Make sure you're searching accurately to ensure you find the correct app. Once you see the app appear in the results, we can move on to the next step, downloading it. Tap on the result and you'll see the familiar option that says Get. If you've downloaded the app before, it might appear as a cloud with a downward arrow instead. Either way, tap on it and the download will begin automatically. Your iPhone may prompt you to enter your password or use Face ID or Touch ID for verification, depending on your settings, so be ready to do that. Once the Apple Store app finishes downloading and installing, it's time to open it. Just go back to your home screen, look for that blue icon with the A that's now freshly placed, and give it a tap. And there you have it. The Apple Store app is now open and ready for you to explore various products, make purchases, or even check out the latest from Apple. By following these steps, you should now have the Apple Store app readily accessible on your device. I hope this guide was helpful and you're now set to take full advantage of everything it has to offer. Thanks for watching, and feel free to check out our other videos for more tips and tutorials on navigating your Apple devices. Enjoy using your iPhone.